A cable company with a reputation for poor customer service is losing subscribers at a rate of approximately 3% per year. The company had 2 million subscribers at the start of 2014. Assume that the company continues to lose subscribers at the same rate and that there are no new subscribers. It's truly a bad situation for them. Which of the following functions S models the number of subscribers in millions remaining t years after the start of 2014? So let's just think about this a little bit. So S of 0, when t equals 0, this is 0 years after the start of 2014. So this would be the number of subscribers they had at the start of 2014, which is 2 million. So S of 0 is going to be 2. Remember, S is in terms of millions. They tell us that. So S of 0 is 2. What is S of 1 going to be when t equals 1? Well, 1 year has gone by, so they're going to lose 3% of their subscribers. And losing 3% is the same thing as retaining 97%. So it's going to be 2 times 0.97. Now what happens at t equals 2 after 2 years? Well, they started with 2 million. In 1 year, they were able to only retain 97%. And then another year goes by, they're only going to retain 97% of what they had or after what they had the year before. So another 97%. So I think you see the trend. You're going to multiply by 97% as many times, or as t times, I guess is another way to think about it. If you say S of 3, you started with 2 million subscribers. After 1 year, you retain 97% of them. After another year, you're going to retain 97% of this. And after another year, at t equals 3, you're going to retain 97% of that. 97% of that. So in general, S of t is going to be what you started with times 0.97 to the tth power. However many years have gone by, you take your, I guess you say, your retention rate to that power, and of course, you then multiply that times your initial starting subscribers, and that's how much you're going to be left with. And let's see, which of these choices have that? That is this choice right over here. Now, another way you could have done it is you could have tried to rule out some choices here. This one actually has the subscribers growing. If you multiply by 1.03 to the t, 1.03 times 1.03 times 1.03, it's going to get larger than 1. You're going to have more than 2 million subscribers. So as t increases, so you could rule that one out. In this one, every year you're only retaining 70% of your subscribers. You're losing 30%, not 3%. So that one's even worse than this already bad situation. And then this one, this is a linear. This is kind of a well, they're saying you're multiplying by t. And one way to realize that this is going to break down very fast is t equals 0. This is going to give us 0. But at t equals 0, you don't have 0 subscribers. At t equals 0, you have 2 million subscribers. The other way to think about it is this one's going to increase as t increases, while we need to have a decreasing number of subscribers. So you could rule that one out as well.